We had a lot of people come in and ask, hey, what does your office look like? So come on into the office and I'm going to give you a tour. So one of the big things you're going to see first whenever you come in here is that every month we have a different set of decorations, right? Because one of our big cultural things that we stand for is that we're always going to be joyful and uplifting to those who come into this office. And so right now it's the summertime, so we're having a little bit of summer fun right now. We got the essential oils going, so it smells good. We have different things on our chalkboard every month because we just want to have fun, right? We live in a society where not enough people are just having fun, so we always have fun in this office. So another thing that you'll see in our office is that we don't have any sign-in sheets because everything in our office is electronic. So whenever you come in, you're gonna have this True Vine Chiropractic card where you come in right here, you scan in, and it checks you into the office because we all wanna be efficient with your time, and this helps to cut down on waste, but also be extremely efficient in everything that we do. So the next thing I want to show you is actually our daily nerve assessment room. So one of the things that I believe is that to see is to know. So I always like measurable indicators of your health. So what we do is that for everyone that comes in, we do a daily nerve assessment, which is a scan of your back that allows me to actually have a measurable indicator of how your body is functioning. And it's right back into this room. So come on in and I'll show you what that actually looks like. And so what we have here is our daily nerve assessment technology. Okay, it's a thermal technology, and so what we do is we run this from the base of your spine up to the base of your neck. And what it does is it actually gives us a readout over here, which tells us how much nerve interference you have, and it gives me an indicator of when to adjust, but also when not to adjust. It allows us to be more specific with our care, so we can actually see when you're holding your adjustment. So the next thing I want to show you is our front desk area. This is where you'll be greeted always with a joyful smile from one of our staff members, and you also can pick up one of our research handouts. So every week we do different research handouts because we believe that knowledge is power, so we want to give you the best knowledge so that you can make the best decisions when it comes to your health. So the next thing I want to show you is that we have 2 consultation rooms. One of them is right here on the left, and then the other thing is that we have our healing wall. So this is a wall of some people who've gotten a huge life change whenever they've come in their office. You're going to see everything from neck pain and back pain to even trigeminal neuralgia and migraines and sleep issues. So if you get time, you can take some of those testimonies and read them because they can help to encourage you or someone else. So we have another consultation room over here, and then this back part, you'll see that we keep this part open for healthy living classes and doctor's reports in the office, but also if you look over here, we have our Chiro Kids and Pregnant Mom wall. So we take care of a lot of kids and pregnant moms in our office, right? Pregnant moms obviously for back pain, and it's also been shown to actually decrease labor time and pain significantly, up to 25% for those moms. So our moms love that. And then kids, we take care of them for things such as colicky, constipation, and a variety of different issues that you think, hey, that's normal. It's actually not normal. It's just very common for kids to have it. We even have a kids area right in this corner where they can color and they can have fun while they're waiting for their parents to get adjusted too. Now over here we have our bathroom, which actually has a changing table in there for all the babies and the new moms in there. So we have that for a convenience for you guys. And then if you go back here is actually our on-site digital x-ray suite. So we have a state-of-the-art x-ray unit that's digital that we're able to get a very precise view of what's going on in your spine. We actually take x-rays in different ranges of motion so we can actually see how the spine is moving, because like we talked about before, I'm a big believer that to feel is to guess, but to see is to know. So this allows us to be more specific with our care. As you come over here, you're going to see that we have 2 adjusting areas, okay? So you'll notice a lot of technology in here too, because I like to use technology for our advantage. The first thing you'll see over here is actually an area where people can sit down, and we actually have a really cool technology for those who want a lighter adjustment or those who just need a lighter adjustment that day. This technology actually has a feedback adjusting technology where you hit right there and it can actually break up some scar tissue, get some motion in that spine, and then whenever there's tissue change, it automatically stops because I love technology, help it to do my job for me. And then also, as you see over here, we have a completely electronic health records. So whenever you look at this, I'm able to pull up any x-rays, any nerve assessments, all your notes, so that I can be more specific with the care that we give. And as you look at these tables over here, we use a lot of drop tables. So if you've ever been to an office where there's a lot of twisting, turning, popping, cracking, we don't do that in our office. Nothing against that. We would just find a way that's more gentle for our practice members and gentler on me too, where the tables will actually come up right here and they actually go down. So they'll make a lot of noise, but it allows for a more specific adjustment for that practice member. And then other thing that's cool about this table right here is that it goes up and down like this for people who are either in a lot of pain or for, once again, our pregnant moms that come in. This piece will actually crank up right here and this piece can drop down. And that allows for the room for the mom's belly, and then they can just go and get a ride down so that they are able to not have to get up and down from that adjusting table. Thanks for coming along for a tour. We look forward to serving you in our office, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out and ask.